All right. So, this is the big dog's attempt to sled. Do I have a sled with me? No. But, oh gosh. We currently are trying to get to our boy Kieran's house. Why are we trying to do that? Because we are trying to sled. I have already tried driving, but I can't get up my hill from my house. I don't care how long it takes. Apple Maps said 35 minutes. I will be making it to his house. For reference, look at where it comes up to. Yeah, I'm cooked. So clearly, I'm not the brightest bulb on the market. I don't even know if that's the right saying. Anyways, I realized I could just walk on the road, like in the street, and then if there's a car that comes, I'll just hop on to the sidewalk. I swear I don't use my head sometimes. Really wish I could get some snow pants. That'd be nice. I'm in skinnies right now. Oh, there's a plow coming. Chat, let's watch the plow. Hold on. Let's get them plows. All right. I made it. Sledding. So we're gonna go check it out. Yeah, I hiked. Now I'm gonna go sled. I'm gonna take y'all on a first-person sleigh ride. So we're gonna do it. Okay. So, first-person sleigh ride. So this is how you ride a sleigh, motherfucker. Oh shoot, we going so fast! That's how you ride a sleigh. We suffered a casualty. Yeah, he gone. He gotta die. All right. Take number 2. This time, it's like you're in the sleigh with me. Isn't that right, chat? Isn't that right, chat? Isn't that right, chat? Oh my God! And that's how you eat a Big Mac. All right. So we've made it back. Sledded and then got warm. My boots are currently a swamp because they are so cold and wet. Yeah, that was a disaster. But I did it. All right, the big dog did it, and that's what matters. Woof, woof. Anyways, yeah. So now I'm gonna kick it up. Well, I don't want to show my feet on camera. And yeah, we're gonna end the night with a little harmonica. So yeah, hope you enjoyed another episode of this stupid ideas that I have. Living the best life though. 2025 ought to be great. Hopefully I survive it, because with these ideas that I get, it's gonna be risky. Seriously though, I need to not die.